In this video, I will show you how to create cinematic text in Premiere Pro. Okay, now in Premiere Pro, let's say that you have created your text. In my case, the text font is Program OT. So the next thing we have to do is go to Effects and type Gaussian, find the Gaussian blur and drop it over your text layer. Then we're going to move up to the Effects Control panel. From there, we're going to work with motion, opacity, and of course, the Gaussian blur effect. So to begin with, I will go to the blurriness and create a keyframe over here with value, let's go up to 300. 300 looks fine. Then we're going to go down to motion, and from scale, we're going to create a keyframe here, leave it as it is at the moment. And then I'll go down to opacity, create keyframe, and decrease the opacity to 0. In the next step, I'll move the playhead to around, let's say 1 or 2 seconds. Also, you can just go over here and type the seconds, but in my case, I'm using the playhead. Then again, I'll go up to the effects control panel and go down to 0, or just click on this reset parameters icon. Then I'll go down to scale and increase it up to not too much. Let's say 111, and then I'll move this keyframe at the end of the text layer. One more time, I'm going to move down and increase the opacity back to 100. And now what we can do is click onto blurriness, right click, ease in, right click, ease out, go down to scale, right click, ease in, right click, ease out, and I'll do exactly the same with the opacity. Right click, ease in, and right click, ease out. Now we have the intro, but we want the outro as well. So let's just play and see how the intro looks. Boom. It looks amazing, by the way. But now we need the outro, and it's pretty easy to do it. So what I will do, I'll select the first keyframe from the blurriness, right click, copy, then place it somewhere over here. Let's say that we want the outro to finish here. Then paste it over here. Then I'll go back to the second keyframe, right click, copy, then put it over here. Paste. Now I'll do exactly the same with the opacity as well. Right click, copy, then the first keyframe has to be at the end. Paste, and then I'll go back to the keyframe before the last blurriness keyframe, and then go back and copy this keyframe and paste it over here. So now let's play it and see the final result. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to do things in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.